Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Keema can be cooked and served in a variety of ways. And today I'm going to show you a simple recipe called the Mutton Hara Keema. I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil and I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of ghee. So the oil is hot, the ghee has melted. Here I have 3 large onions that I have finely chopped. I'm going to add this and I'm going to saute it till it's soft and pink. I'm not going to fry it till it's brown. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. The onions are soft. Now I'm going to add a few whole spices. I'm adding about 3 bay leaves. I'm going to add an inch of cinnamon stick. I'm going to add 2 Star Anise, 1 Black Cardamom and 10 Black Peppercorns. And I'm going to saute this also for a minute or 2. As you can see, the onions have changed their color to a lovely pink. Now let's add a tablespoon of ginger paste and a tablespoon of garlic paste. And I'm going to saute this till the raw smell of the ginger and the garlic is gone. Here I have 1 kg of mutton mince, which I'm going to add to these sauteed onions and just fry it for a minute or 2. I've still kept the flame on a high. As you can see, the mince has already started to leave water. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a tablespoon of roasted coriander seed powder, a teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder, and we're going to add 1 cup of yogurt that we have beaten. Mix this really well. A tablespoon of salt to this. And we're going to mix this really well. And now all that we're going to do is just simply cover this keema and cook it on a medium to a high flame for 20 minutes till the keema is almost done. It's been 20 minutes that we had kept the keema to cook. Let's see if it's done. As you can see, the water has evaporated and the keema is cooked in its own juices. And you can see that it's releasing a little oil as well. So now what we're going to do is add the remaining ingredients. Here I have taken a big bowl, rather a big bunch of fresh coriander leaves, which we're going to grind along with green chilies. So I'm going to be taking about 10 green chilies because I want my keema to be nice and spicy. I'm just going to grate these green chilies and I'm going to grind them to a nice fine paste. I'm going to use very little water when I'm going to grind this. Our green chutney is ready. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of garam masala to the keema. Mix it well. The keema is smelling already so yummy. And here I have a few red chilies that I have broken, about 3 of them. I've just broken them into 2 to 3 pieces. I'm just going to add that. It gives a beautiful color to the keema. And I'm going to add the green chutney that I have made. Mix this well. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped mint leaves also to this. It gives an amazing flavor to your dish. Give it a good mix. And now what we're going to do is, on a low flame, we're going to cover this and cook it for another 5 to 6 minutes. So we've kept the keema to cook on a low flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. And let's see, it's looking absolutely beautiful, moist, and the green color is looking amazing. It's smelling delicious. So now let's just remove this keema in a serving bowl. And our keema is ready to be served. So what I'm going to do is remove half of this, serve it today, and the remaining half I'm going to use it for another day. I'm probably going to make some rolls with this or some keema cutlets. So do try this recipe and let me know. And for such amazing recipes, keep watching Get Curried.